Short animation video went viral, and today we explore the secrets of how it was made. A huge thanks goes to Luma AI for sponsoring this tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. First thing we do is we create a concept animation storyboard highlighting all the frames that we will be animating. We will start with an existing site photo of this old brick warehouse and transform it into a white massing model. Once we have the keyframes ready, it's time to head over to Dream Machine. We load up our keyframes and make sure we have Ray 3 selected. We will use a simple prompt, smooth transition from a brick warehouse to a white box massing model. And here is our animation. We'll jump back into our storyboard where we have our generated design concepts. We will choose one of the options to animate and jump back onto Dream Machine. Once we're back on Dream Machine, we select our start and end frames and write our prompt. In this case, smooth transition from a white massing model to a residential development on top of a warehouse. Procedural animation, step by step. And here is our animation. Back to our storyboard, we will try to create a transition from this front elevation to a perspective view. Once we have our start and end frames, we jump back on Dream Machine. With Ray 3 selected, we write our prompt. Aerial drone transform the front elevation of this multi-residential concept to an aerial view of the same concept. Maintain the same geometry. And here is our animation. Next, we will use the orbit left command from Dream Machine in order to rotate left from this perspective view. We will follow that with a zoom out control so we can see the building from far. After we input our start and end frames, our prompt will be zoom out, smooth transition, cinematic control. And here is our animation. You can see how well Dream Machine maintains the correct geometry as the camera rotates. Back to our storyboard, we will do a time-lapse keyframe transformation from this wide perspective view to a sunset view. Again, we input our start and end frames, and here is our animation. Back to our storyboard, we will transition our white elevation massing model into a realistic rendering. In Dream Machine, we input start and end frames and write our prompt. And here is our animation. We go back to our storyboard and we have a perspective view of these daytime renderings. We bring it to Dream Machine. And again, we animate this frame with a simple orbit left command. And you can see the very high fidelity that Dream Machine consistently maintains. One last time, we go back to our storyboard. For our final shot, we will do the transformation back to the original existing brick warehouse, and we'll use this as the hook for the video. This will be our prompt, and there you have it. We'll put all the animations together, and here's the video. Thank you for watching.